Thanks for checking in a weather bug here on this Tuesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We do have a slight severe risk now lining up over the next several days in the central U.S., kind of building south and east as we get closer to the end of the week. We'll talk about that in a second, but definitely some cooling temperatures later this week with even a few snowflakes possible across the northern reaches of Minnesota, UP, Michigan, and Wisconsin by Thursday night into Friday. So we'll keep you up to date on that. Some of the heavier rainfall, though, over the next few days down in the southeast and also in the midsection of the nation. And this will be in response to some of the heavier thunderstorms that could be developing again by midweek here into Thursday. So we have one area of low pressure developing and sliding off to the northeast, which is located in the central and high plains for now. So this really isn't going to cause all that much problem area here, but basically from South Dakota into northeastern Nebraska, there might be a few stronger storms today. And the tail end of that area of low pressure, another one develops. That'll be the one that we're going to be more concerned with, the chance of stronger thunderstorms over the middle Mississippi Valley down into the lower Mississippi Valley on Wednesday and also on a Thursday. Look at how much cold air we're talking about post-front. Then by the end of the week in this upcoming weekend, and then looking ahead to next week, we get into a little bit of more of a zonal flow, so that should allow temperatures to warm up in the central U.S. Today, though, Chicago, 10 degrees below average. St. Louis, 10 degrees above average, going from near 60 in Chicago to the mid-80s in St. Louis, and then still kind of cool. Should get up into the high plains and the upper Mississippi Valley to the 60s. There's that severe threat today, as I mentioned, from South Dakota to northeastern Nebraska, and then on Wednesday, we're going to see that from near Omaha down to Wichita, and then Thursday, a little bit better chance, St. Louis, Kansas City, Missouri, down to Little Rock, and Shreveport, Louisiana. We'll keep you up to date with much more coming up here at WeatherBug.